massive welcome to Austria. Today we're skipping the fancy restaurants and heading straight to the heart of Austrian street food. I'm Dine, and with our expert guides Anya and Stefan, we're diving into the bustling markets to taste the real Austria. This is food for the people, raw, authentic and bursting with tradition. Anya and Stefan know every secret stall and hidden gem here. We'll be tasting everything fresh right from the source. No filters, no background music, just pure unfiltered food. So loosen your belts and get ready for a delicious adventure. Let's go. Our first stop on this delicious journey is none other than the undisputed king of Austrian cuisine, Wiener Schnitzel. This iconic dish is more than just a meal. It's a symbol of Vienna's rich culinary heritage, beloved by locals and visitors alike. As you wander through the lively markets of Vienna, the aroma of sizzling schnitzel fills the air, drawing hungry crowds to food stalls and restaurants all over the city. Forget those soggy, heavy versions you might have tried elsewhere. The real Wiener Schnitzel is a masterpiece of simplicity and technique. It starts with a thin, tender veal cutlet, carefully pounded to the perfect thickness. The meat is then coated in a delicate layer of airy Kaisersemmelbrösel breadcrumbs, made from traditional Viennese rolls, which give the schnitzel its signature lightness and crunch. The magic happens in the pan. Each cutlet is gently pan-fried in shimmering, clarified butter, a process that ensures the schnitzel cooks evenly and develops a beautiful golden crust. The clarified butter not only adds a subtle richness, but also prevents the schnitzel from becoming greasy, so every bite is crisp and clean. The secret to its irresistible texture lies in the way the coating puffs up as it fries, creating a light, shattering crunch that encases the juicy, flavorful veal inside. It's a delicate balance, achieved only by skilled hands and the right ingredients, that makes each schnitzel truly special. Tradition dictates that Wiener Schnitzel is served simply, with nothing more than a wedge of fresh lemon on the side. No heavy sauces, no unnecessary garnishes, just the pure, unadulterated flavors of the schnitzel itself. A generous squeeze of lemon over the hot, crispy schnitzel is all it takes to elevate the dish. The bright acidity of the lemon cuts through the richness of the fried veal, balancing the flavors and making every bite sing with freshness. For Austrians, Wiener Schnitzel is more than just food. It's a point of pride, a national treasure that brings people together. Whether enjoyed at a bustling market stall or a cozy family table, it's a dish that evokes memories and celebrates tradition. Take a bite, and you'll understand why this dish is legendary. The crust is impossibly crisp and light, while the veal inside is melt-in-your-mouth tender. It's a harmony of textures and flavors that's instantly addictive. This is the kind of food that makes travel worthwhile, a perfect bite that captures the spirit of a place. Wiener Schnitzel is an absolutely stunning start to our culinary adventure. And trust me, there's so much more to discover. Let's keep going. Traditionally, Käsekreiner is served with a side of sharp mustard and freshly grated horseradish, which cut through the richness of the cheese and add a spicy kick. Or, for the ultimate street food experience, you can have it tucked into a crusty bread roll, making it the perfect meal on the go. Each bite is a flavor bomb, smoky, cheesy, tangy, and just a little bit spicy. There's something truly satisfying about the snap of the sausage casing as you bite in, followed by the stretch of gooey cheese and the zing of spicy mustard. It's a combination of textures and flavors that's hard to beat, and it's easy to see why Käsekreiner has become a staple at markets and food stalls across Austria. Smoky, rich, and decadent, Käsekreiner is the ultimate comfort food, especially when enjoyed fresh off the grill on a chilly day. The warmth of the sausage, the richness of the cheese, and the bold flavors make it a dish that warms you from the inside out. This is the kind of hearty snack you crave when the weather turns cold and you're wandering through a bustling market with friends or family. There's a sense of togetherness and tradition in every bite, making it more than just a meal. It's an experience. Hearty, satisfying, and absolutely packed with character, Käsekreiner is a true celebration of Austrian culinary creativity. Whether you're a local or a visitor, it's a dish that leaves a lasting impression. A simple sausage, shared among friends, becomes a taste of Austrian culture, a moment of joy, laughter, and delicious food. That's the magic of Käsekreiner. Brilliant. time for dessert. And today we're indulging in the legendary Sachertorte, a cake that's more than just a sweet treat. This iconic Viennese dessert is a symbol of Austria's rich culinary heritage, beloved by locals and travelers alike. With its glossy chocolate glaze and elegant presentation, Sachertorte is a showstopper on any table, instantly transporting you to the grand coffee houses of Vienna. But Sachertorte is so much more than just chocolate cake. It's a masterpiece of flavor and texture. Dense, moist chocolate layers, a delicate spread of tangy apricot jam, and a glossy, bittersweet dark chocolate glaze that cracks gently under your fork. Each ingredient is carefully chosen, and together they create a dessert that's both rich and refined. The story of Sachertorte begins in 1832, when a young apprentice named Franz Sacher was tasked with creating a special dessert for Prince Metternich's distinguished guests. His creation was so extraordinary, it sparked a rivalry between Vienna's most famous bakeries, a cake war that lasted for decades, as each claimed to make the original Sachertorte. Today, the cake remains a point of pride and tradition in Vienna, with secret recipes passed down through generations. What's the secret to its unforgettable taste? It's the second layer of apricot jam hidden in the middle of the cake. This extra touch adds a burst of fruity sharpness that perfectly balances the deep chocolate flavor, making every bite a delightful surprise. The glaze is rich, dark, and bittersweet, enveloping the cake in a smooth, shiny finish. The apricot jam brings a bright, tangy note, cutting through the chocolate's intensity. And of course, Sachertorte is always served with a generous dollop of unsweetened whipped cream, a classic pairing that's never too sweet, but always just right. The cream is essential. It lightens the richness of the cake, making each mouthful feel both intense and elegant. The contrast between the cool, airy cream and the dense, chocolatey cake is pure perfection, and it's what makes Sachertorte so memorable. As you slice in, you'll discover the deep, bittersweet chocolate, the tangy apricot, and the cool, smooth cream, all coming together in a single, harmonious bite. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that's both comforting and sophisticated. Sachertorte isn't a light dessert. It's meant to be savored slowly, enjoyed with good company, and perhaps a cup of strong Viennese coffee. It's a true classic, a taste of Vienna's history and hospitality in every slice. So let's dig in and experience a piece of Austrian tradition together. Next, the iconic Apfelstrudel, never call it apple pie. The magic is in the dough, stretched paper thin by hand, then wrapped around tart apples, rum-soaked raisins, and buttery toasted breadcrumbs. The filling is spiced with cinnamon, lemon zest, and nutmeg for warmth and aroma. Baked until golden, it's served warm with a dusting of powdered sugar. The pastry shatters at the touch, revealing a soft, fragrant filling. The toasted breadcrumbs keep it crisp, never soggy. Every bite is a masterclass in texture, flaky, crunchy, and gooey. Rustic yet elegant, it's comfort and tradition in one. A dessert that tells a story of patience and skill. Absolutely gorgeous. Now for a local hero, the Bosner. Born in Salzburg, it's Austria's spicy street food secret. 2 grilled bratwurst in a toasted roll, loaded with onions, mustard, and a signature curry spice blend. The bread is crusty, the sausages are snappy, and the curry powder brings heat and aroma. It's messy, bold, and packed with flavor. A fusion of Austrian and Balkan influences, it's the go-to snack for locals. The vendor's quick hands turn each Bosner into a work of art. First bite, spicy, savory, and unforgettable. It's fast food with soul, a true local gem. Next, leberkäse semmel, a meatloaf sandwich like no other. Despite the name, there's no liver or cheese, just finely ground corned beef, pork, bacon, and onions, baked to a crispy crust. Sliced thick and served hot in a crusty roll, it's pure, savory satisfaction. The texture is smooth and bouncy, the flavor rich and comforting. Add a dab of mustard, or enjoy it plain to savor the meat. It's a butcher shop staple and a quick, hearty lunch. The crispy crust and soft interior are a perfect match. Honest, delicious, and deeply Austrian. Don't knock it till you've tried it. our finale, Maryland noodle, or apricot dumplings. A ripe Wachau apricot, sometimes with a sugar cube inside, is wrapped in pillowy Topfen dough and boiled. The dumplings are rolled in buttery cinnamon sugar breadcrumbs for a golden, fragrant crust. The result, a soft dumpling, a sweet tart apricot center, and a crunchy, buttery coating. It's summer on a plate, warm, comforting, and bursting with flavor. This dish is pure love, often made by grandmothers and savored slowly. Cut one open and the aroma is irresistible. The contrast of textures and flavors is a masterpiece. The perfect end to our street food adventure, a taste of heaven. And that's a wrap. What a journey through Austria's street food wonders. From schnitzel to Marillen knödel, we've tasted the real Austria, thanks to Anya and Stefan. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you loved this adventure, subscribe for more unfiltered food journeys. Until next time, stay hungry and eat well.